Hey guys, so in this video I'll be showing you how to create an animated intro for your YouTube channel, and you'll be able to add a logo and a name. So it's going to look like this. You'll be able to add yourself your own logo. I'll be showing you how to create a logo as well, and you also be able to customize or edit this title and add whatever name that you want to add. So with that said, let's go to my laptop and show you how to create yourself an animated intro for your YouTube channel. So on my website, I have some good deals going on, and you can try out Canva for 30 days for absolutely free if you want to create logos, or you're into freelancing and you're trying to find a tool that can help you automate your business. But the tool we're going to be using to create animated intros for YouTube is simply using RenderForest, and you can try it out for free for as long as you want. So once you get to RenderForest, you're going to be clicking where it says get started or sign in. You're going to be signing up with Facebook or Google, whichever one you choose is fine, or you can simply type out everything, all the details that are going to be required of you by RenderForest. And once you're done creating your account, you're going to be clicking where it says create video. So once you get to this section, you're going to be focusing on intros and logos. Then you're going to be clicking where it says YouTube intros. So once you click where it says YouTube intros, you're going to see RenderForest will show you some professional templates that you can use or customize to your own unique taste for your intro. And as you saw from the beginning of the video, I used this as an example, so we're going to be using this one, but you can choose whichever template that you want to customize. And then when you click on the play sign, you'll be able to see how it's going to look after you're done editing. So you can even play it and check it out, but you're going to scroll down and click where it says create now. And if you're creating a logo for a portrait video, simply click where it says widescreen and you'll be able to change to portrait version, but leave it to default because we're creating a YouTube intro. So click where it says create now. So once you get here, you're going to notice the video length will be 7 seconds. That's fine. And then you're going to be adding your own logo. You can simply click where it says logo here, or you can come where it says add, and then you can upload your logo. You can check in your media library if you've already saved some logos, or you can create yourself a logo using RenderForest, or you can add a text if you want your logo to be in text form, or you can check the recent used files. So if you want, you can download one from Google and then paste in the URL using image URL. You simply search for an image on Google. Then when you want to download that image, you don't download it, but you copy the URL image, then you paste it right there. Then it's going to be embedded on your intro video. So for my case, I'll be uploading a logo which I've already created with Canva. And like I said, you can check out Canva and then use it so that you can get started with all the pro features using the link on my website. So the logo I'm going to be using as an example is this one right here. What I will simply do is click where it says download. Using a free Canva, we're not going to be removing a transparent background because it requires a pro account. So what we're just going to be downloading is a PNG image without transparent background. So once I've downloaded my logo, I'll be going to where I'm customizing my intro, and then I'll click where it says logo here. Then I'm going to go and upload one. Then I'll click on the logo that I want. Then RenderForest will allow you to crop your image if you want it cropped, and when you're done, simply click on where it says done. So it's going to be like that. And if you want to try out some other fonts, you can click where it says default fonts, and then RenderForest is going to show you some fonts, but if you click there, you're going to have to pay like $5, but you can still use the free font that is given to you by RenderForest. But I just had to let you guys know you can change your font if you want. But for my case, I'll be just using the default font. And when I'm done, I'll be clicking where it says style, so that I see some of the styles that I can change. If I don't like this style, I want a God style, I can simply click on the God style. And if you check out all these styles that you want, you settle for the style that you want, then you can also choose the font from here. If you didn't choose it before, you can simply change your font right there. So once you click on the style that you like, you can add music to your intro. You can test the intro sound right here by playing it and then listening to it. You can even add a voiceover. If you want your intro to have your own unique voice to it, you can simply click where it says add voiceover, and then you'll be able to record your voice right there. So once you've chosen the music or you've added a voiceover, you simply click where it says preview. If you've already selected the sound, add to project with a green button right there. You click where it says preview so that you see your work. And then when you get to this point, since we are going to be downloading it for free, it's going to be in 360p quality. Exporting time will be 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes, and it's going to come with a watermark. But if you've stuck to the end of this video, I'm going to show you a bonus that you can use to remove the watermark, something just to help you out to remove the watermark so that your intro looks professional and everything. So you can simply click where it says free preview to see how your logo is looking. So once it's done loading, you can now play it, but I'll mute it so that it doesn't disturb you guys. So you can now play it and see your results of whatever that you've customized to your animated intro. As you can see, this is how your animated YouTube intro is looking, but I feel like we can do better. So what I will simply do is head back to editing, and I'll remove this logo and just add text. And we are going to try out how the text is looking, if text is better than the logo that we've created. So right here, once we get back here, we'll be removing this logo, and then we'll be clicking on where it says add. Then we're going to add text, and I'll be writing my YouTube name, changing color to red, then done. Let's see some fonts that we can use. Okay, then click done, and it gives you a transparent background, so that's cool. Okay, thanks, that's looking good. Then we're going to click where it says preview, then free preview. Now we can preview it. So I just paused the sound so that it doesn't disturb you guys. So that's how the intro looks. It's much better. So now I'll be showing you guys how to remove this watermark for absolutely free to the people that have stuck to the end of this video. So to download the video, what you simply have to do is right click on your mouse, then save video as. So once you've downloaded it, you're going to go to Canva, and we're going to use the video editor to remove the watermark. So what you simply have to do is click where it says video. So once the Canva editor is loaded, then click where it says upload, and then you're going to upload the video. So now that you've uploaded the video, you simply click on it, then you set it as a background. So now what to do to remove this watermark from your intro video? All you have to do is simply click on where it says elements, then you click on this element, and we're going to be picking the color of our background color from our video. So what we do is simply click on where it shows the color of this element that you just chose from elements. Then you click on where it says add a new color. Then you click on this pen looking item right there. Then it's going to look like this. Then you just click on whatever color that is in the video, and then it's going to turn the element like that. Then we're going to put it somewhere like right there. So what we're going to do after we add our element like that, we're going to also find the other parts that is showing the watermark from the video. Then we can either duplicate this same element so that we have another one, or you can pick this element from the element section, then you do the same thing that we did again, and then you can complete it to remove these gray things, and then you can get another element by duplicating. Then make sure you remove the gray corners on the edge of the video, and then you can duplicate another one and complete it as well that side, and then you can get another one. Simple as that. Make sure you just push it on the edge of the video so that it doesn't take up all the space of the intro. Then you can play it, and voila, it doesn't come with any watermark. It's as simple as that. And if you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more content from me like this, and I also make videos on how to start a successful online business, you can leave a like and also subscribe to the channel to help my growth online. And I wish you all the best, guys. Go there and start making some huge growth in your online business or whatever thing that you're doing online. GG's, and I'll see you in the next video.